Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to fix this number is not used for verification problem on your Gmail or Google account. So first up here, you just need to go to your control center and then you can turn off and turn on airplane mode. And once you turned on, you just need to enable the Wi-Fi connection or data connection and check if it's stable. And once you have this stable internet connection, the next step is going to your phone settings. Now from here, you just need to scroll down and find apps and then go to manage apps or apps management. And then from here, just need to wait for a few seconds. And then we can use the search box at the top and type Gmail. Now from here, once you tap on Gmail, go to storage section and then tap on clear data at the bottom. And then just have to clear all data and clear cache. Finally, you just have to go to app permission and make sure that you allow all the permission here for this application. Now, once you've done, you can now check. And if it didn't work, you can just use another phone number for your verification process. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.